In this video, I'm going to show you a quite elegant recipe that I found in an older cookbook called The Vegan Planet. I'm going to show you sesame encrusted tofu served with spicy sautéed broccoli. It sounds complicated, but it's really easy. To make your life even easier, we're going to keep all the elements, the leftover elements from the main recipe, and make the easiest leftover dinner from that. My name's Trisha, this is the Chickpea channel, and behind the cameras is David from Living Tech. The side dish, or you could serve it underneath, is the sautéed broccoli. It's so easy. The only thing that you do ahead for the broccoli is obviously clean and chop, but also blanch it, which means you steam it for 2 or 3 minutes and then put it in cold water. That stops the cooking. I just take a regular size block of tofu. I didn't even press it. And I cut it in, I just cut it this way into nice blocks. I'm gonna make the drenching sauce in a low bowl. All that is 2 tablespoons of Tamari sauce, 1/3 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of tahini. If you would like more of a tahini taste on your tofu, just add less water to the drenching sauce. It will be a little bit more difficult to manage when you're actually drenching because it'll be sticky, but it'll taste more like tahini and maybe more to your taste. Here's our assembly line: the sliced tofu, the drenching sauce, sesame seeds, just raw plain sesame seeds, that's about 1 cup, and the plate I'm going to put them on before I put them in the pan. I'm cooking the broccoli and the tofu at the same time because I have 2 frying pans going at medium heat. In any case, you're going to need an oven-safe dish to hold your tofu because you're going to end up having to cook in batches. And you can either just keep the tofu in the dish beside the pan. It'll stay warm enough if you cover it. But if you want it to be really warm and toasty when it goes on the table, you can turn the oven on to 200 and put the baking dish in there in between. About 3 minutes per side. You want the sesame seeds to get a nice toasty brown, not too dark. After 3 minutes or so, check them and then flip them when they look nice and brown toasty like this. These have cooked both sides for about 3 minutes. While I'm at it, I'm going to scoop up as much as I can of the toasted sesame seeds so they don't burn, because they're great to throw over top. Broccoli's done. Don't forget to stir in the last tablespoon of tamari. When you're finished making your sesame encrusted tofu dinner and you're going to clean up, don't throw out the drenching sauce, don't throw out the sesames that you used to coat the tofu. Put them together, store them in the fridge until you're ready to make a really easy leftover dinner. Take your drenching sauce back out, and whatever vegetables you have in the fridge, I have leftover broccoli from when I made the spicy sautéed broccoli to go with my tofu. I chopped up some zucchini and some bell pepper. I have leftover edamame from when I plated the tofu, and I have leftover green onions from when I plated the tofu. So I'm just going to throw those all in a frying pan and sauté them. Just a reminder from my leftovers video, put in the longer cooked vegetables first. As it happens, most of these are pretty short cooking, so it won't take me very much time. Once those are sautéed, I'm going to just add in the drenching sauce and the sesame seeds, warm them up, and then the last step, I'll add in some leftover grains. You can use any grains you want. I have oat groats and red quinoa, which I combined. Put those in, heat the whole thing up, dinner. And it's good volume. It'll be probably dinner for 4 people. This is ready. So delicious, and really an afterthought in this case, but the sauce is so easy and really, really good that you might even want to skip the whole sesame encrusted tofu step if you just want a quick dinner. Make the drenching sauce, throw in some sesame seeds, and make this. Thank you for watching the Chickpea channel. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. Please like this video, subscribe, and sign up for notifications. We'd love to see you again, and please give us any comments you have. Thanks!